To use face recognition to access secret mode in the internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable face recognition in the secret mode setting. To do so, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Tap Personal Browsing Data, and then tap Secret Mode Setting. Under Biometric section, tap the gray on option next to Face. Enter your current secret mode password. Tap OK. If you have typed the right password, the face recognition option will be turned on. With the setting, instead of typing password, now you can easily access secret mode in the internet app by using your face that you have registered before. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.